Are you tired of waking up with a sore neck? Well, if so, this video is for you. Today, I'm Dr. Krause from First Place Chiropractic, and I'm going to be talking to you about proper sleep hygiene. More importantly, which is the right pillow for you. So, first things first, there's a couple different factors that play into what is the most important pillow. But the most important factor is whether you are a back sleeper, a side sleeper, or a stomach sleeper. The order I just listed these in are healthiest to least healthy for the spine. So if you are a stomach sleeper, the first tip I will give you, put a pillow between your legs when you're sleeping. That'll prevent you from rolling over, and it'll also give those legs the same support that you feel when you're laying more on your stomach. The reason we want to stay away from side sleeping, rather stomach sleeping, is if you're sleeping on your stomach, your head is twisted like this for 8 hours straight. As you can imagine, those muscles and ligaments keeping your atlas in place aren't a big fan of that. Now, as far as side sleeping is your next best alternative to stomach sleeping. And I've brought with me a thicker pillow to demonstrate that. You'll notice when I'm laying on my side with my shoulders stacked that I have a nice even line with my head to my spine. As I start to tuck a shoulder up and forward, you'll notice that my head shifts, in which case you may want to add another pillow. I'll demonstrate this with you right now. Now, as you can see from the first demonstration there, as I laid down with my shoulders stacked, my head was nice and lined up. That supports your atlas, supports the rest of your spine, and puts your spine in a non-stressed position. By sliding that shoulder forward, you might have the head tilt a little bit, in which case you might want to add a little bit more padding, a little bit more thickness to the pillow. Or if you have a sleep number and you can change that, that might be a good alternative to help you find that nice balance. And you can always check the same way I'm showing you on video with a phone camera to see if your spine is nice and straight. Now, if you're back sleeping, this would not be the best pillow because, again, if we take a look, you'll notice that my head is squished up quite a bit. If I was to translate this into sitting up, I would be here for 8 hours, not the best. So I would want to switch to something a little bit softer so that my head is at a nice neutral, even level with the rest of my body, like so. Finding the right pillow can be hard, and so if it has been a challenge to find one, you can always come into the office, ask us our recommendations. There are some other specialty pillows that sometimes are right for you if these tips or tricks don't work, but these are a good place to start. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, comment, or share with a friend. I'm Dr. Krause at First Place Chiropractic.